Today we are here at Elite Parent School. It's one of our partner schools as Edify. Here the event that we are concluding is one of the student-centered events, Coding and Robotics Camp. It's an event that we do every year. The objective of it is we want to have EdTech integration being improved in our partner schools. So mainly we do this, one, to show what kids can do once they have all the necessary materials. And that helps for the schools to think about it and how they can do investment around it. For the students, it's an event that enables them to relate, to have the relevance of what they learn in the classroom to the outside life. In other words, if you look at the projects that they have worked on, you see every project is a solution to existing problem. So we don't stop from these young ones, but also we look at even the teachers and in that line we are looking at sustainability of this program. Education is not one man's job. You know, it's a partnership between parents and schools. You know, if a school says maybe next year I'm doing this, and parents have to show up with their role in terms when it needs money, make some contribution at least.
We have been here for 5 days teaching upper primary students from different schools, introducing them basic skills for robotics and simple coding. Learners were very curious, enthusiastic and eager to learn. They have tried their best. They are good participants who have experienced a lot and wish to come back.
Rero natwe nk'ababyeyi iminsi ikurikiyeho twiteguye kubafasha, gukomeza kubafasha mu byo bahuguwemo hamwe n'ibindi bashobora kwihangira bashingiye ku byo bahuguwemo hano, cyane cyane ku bijyanye n'ikoranabuhanga. Ku rwanjye ruhande umwana wanjye ndamufasha kubona ibyamufasha mu gukomeza guhanga utwo dushya twe, ndetse n'ibyamufasha gukomeza gukora ya mishinga ye hamwe n'indi wenda azanyereka. Turashimira Edify ndetse n'ikigo cya Elite Parent School gihora kidufasha kuturerera, gituma abana bunguka ubumenyi ndetse n'ubushobozi bwo kwigira none ndetse n'ahazaza.
Me and my group we were given to make a project about a sensor alarm. So we made a house and put there some sensor so that someone who can approach our house, the buzzer can speak and someone who is inside can come and see what is happening. First of all, I can thank the school to have think of us and say that let us make a summer camp and bring learners here. I also thank Edify to have brought for us good teachers who helped us in everything. I also thank my parents who accepted this and brought me here, and also I can tell other learners or other pupils in the country they can join the summer camps that they saw, that they can learn something from them which can help them, because they never know they can run this and they become future programmers, or also then they become teachers. My vision in technology, as I made a project, I want to make it in real life and build the house and put there some sensors, and also help other learners who didn't have the chance to come here, also to help them do what I can do.
The challenges was to connect the jump wires because we had many things to connect. We can overcome that challenge. The trainers helped us and they come and explain for us how we can make it easy.
As a teacher, I've learned many lessons. I was planning that at my school, the time we will start the 2026-2027 academic year, of course I'm planning some trainings to my fellow teachers so that the knowledge won't stay inside me but will be also in other teachers. so that the school will develop through technology, but not on my side only, but on the whole side of the school. So we give much thanks to Edify and their partners, Creativity Lab, as well as the school which has hosted us. Yeah, we are so very grateful.